We hereby inform the public that our client, Ms. Beverly Pumikpik Laban-Laban, is the sole and exclusive talent and business manager of Mr. Elias Gabonada Lintukan Jr., who holds himself out to the public as Elias and performs with a band with the name and style of Elias JTV Band. Okay, this is by virtue of a contract. Yan. It has come to our attention that Mr. Lintukan has been contracting his services to other parties without the consent and participation of Ms. Laban-Laban, in direct contravention of the aforementioned contracts and undertaking therein. Therefore, the public is hereby warned that any and all third party or parties, natural or juridical, who contracts with Mr. Lintukan directly shall be made liable under the law for tortious interference of contracts as defined under the law. In addition, such acts in contravention of the above-mentioned contract shall be made the basis of appropriate criminal charges as may be warranted. We also hereby announce that we fully intend to pursue such charges to their fullest extent under the law. Let this notice serve as fair warning to all those who may be affected. What do we mean by that? Pwera pa po yung magiging liability ni Elias sa pagbasa o paglabag ng kontrata, which is a matter between him and Beverly. Yung mga tao na makikipagkontrata kay Elias will be liable under the law. Sa batas po natin, may provision ng civil code called tortious interference with a contract. Ang isang tao na alam niya na may kontrata ang isang tao with another person at siya ay nanghimasok at inindus niya, nilansi niya, kinumbinsi niya na lumabag doon sa kontratang yon ay pananagutin din. Anong example? Halimbawa ako, talent ni Beverly, promoter si Joey, kinuha niya ako, hindi ko pinaalam. Akong kinuha niya direkta, halimbawa sa isang pelikula o sa concert. Bukod sa pananagutan ko kay Beverly dahil nilagpasan ko siya as manager na may kontrata kami, liable pa rin. But in order to make that person liable, dapat alam niya na may kontrata. That is why we have this notice. This serves as a constructive notice to the whole world in accordance with the provisions of the Civil Code. Kasi pag nilaghala po ito sa newspaper of general circulation, this is notice to the whole world. Presumed na alam na po ng lahat ng tao ito. Therefore, we want to make it clear that any person contracting with Elias will be taken to court for tortious interference of a contract. Pananagutin po namin siya, papabaliwala namin yung kontrata, pagbabayari namin siya, hihingi po kami ng TRO at injunction para hindi po matuloy yung usapan nila ni Elias.